Welcome back to an episode of Collaborative. Today we're going to be going over the birthday cake candles question. This is it here on Hacker Rank. Basically, we're going to be given an array of candle heights, and we have to return the number of the highest one. So let's get right to it. So here's my array that I'm going to be receiving. I need to know what the tallest one is, and then I have to return how many instances of the tallest one were found. So let tallest equal math.max of the array. Then we need to get, so that's the tallest, and now we need to get how many of the tallest are in there. So we have to find them. So you can either do a for loop, or instead, I'll do filter. So I can filter out the candles whose, let's see, where tallest is equal to a candle. So let's do the candle height. And yeah, where the candle height equals tallest. And then what we need to do is we need to return, and that's going to return now an array of all of the instances. So we want the length of that. And that's it. So if we go ahead and run this right now, that was uneventful. Why is it not running? Oh, because I don't actually call it. Birthday cake candles with the array. And maybe I'll just console log it. My brain is not working right now, so let's see. Yeah, 2. There you go. And if we, added an extra one, that would be 3. Okay, that's it.